So guys, this is my version of how I season my lobster for roast lobster. So I put tomatoes, pimentos, sweet peppers, celery, chive, bandana, garlic, salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, lemon pepper, salt, garlic seasoning, paprika, cayenne, and all these stuff. So now I'm going to wrap it up. Normally we wrap it in fig leaf, but I don't have any fig leaf, so I'm using foil. Okay, you can use foil also.
Got the beautiful lobster. That's a big one. That's one chunky head.
Yep.
Oh, the vegetables falling. Wait a minute.
I'm gonna grate some cheese over it. It'll be nice and cheesy. We have our lobsters here, prepared, salted, seasoned, ready to roast. So we're gonna finish clean up here, organize up, pack up, and we're gonna see you guys on the beach. Let's get going. So we're going, where are we heading to?
Radix Beach.
Where are we heading to, guys?
Going to Radix Beach.
We're going to the beach. So you're sitting in the back here?
Yeah.
Kids are down here surfing, and we are up here by this lovely, nice outdoor shed here. We're gonna start the fire here. Start to roast the lobster. So guys, we're going to put on the vegetables here first. So the whole vegetables here, we're gonna make it steam. This was cabbage, sweet peppers, and what else we put for vegetables? I just put some butter in it, some salt and black pepper, and 2 blocks of ice, so it will steam in the foil here. And then we have our lobsters here. So one with the cheese and one with butter. So we're going to taste and see how it is. So guys, I am going to take the vegetables out on the grill. I'm going to put the lobster that we have already prepared with the garlic and the bandana and celery and chive and tomatoes and salt, black pepper, paprika, cayenne, lemon seasoning. So I can't remember, one is cheese and one is butter on it, melted butter on it. So we're going to leave it here and let it roast, and we will keep checking it periodically. Oh my god, guys, if you could smell this, it's like heaven. Awesome! I wrapped it well.
smell it from here.
Oh boy, you can't ask for nothing more in life than just blessings and more guidance, eh? Just no, it's steak. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very nice. Oh yeah.
No.
Oh, Dylan. Mommy didn't sit there. We want to be all wet.
Oh, Jesus. That is so good.
I don't know how long it will last.
But I want both mine. That's good. Too bad it's a road. Oh gosh, Daddy, this is so good. Like too big for whatever one is at all.
No, tapi nak piece slowly there.
Why did I pick them so good? One is. You break my fork.
Kita dah kena pindah poti. Kan.
What is this?
You hold this.
How are you going to towel?
I don't know. Look at him.
Idiot. Kill him?
No. It's a male tarantula.
I don't care. I could kill him.
You kill him and I'll spank you.
I don't care. I could
Here.
kill him.
Let me see if we can get him to crawl on me.
Yeah, he bites you.
He will bite.
For the shape of the towels and beef, for the pretty better towels inside there. Let's chop everything inside it.
He's an idiot. Idiot.
There is all the clothes bringing.
Yeah.
So don't put all the things in the camp back, please.
Give
I'm gonna go and change the change, please.
Daddy, why are you playing there with the
That's all you
geese?
got to towels.
Duck. Daddy, you know you have a duck there. Why are you playing it?
He won't hurt the duck and the duck won't hurt him.
There's a female duck. Sheldon, that cake is for you. You're coming with me, right?
No, I videotaping.
You come with me. No, you have to come with them. I videotape it. Hey, look, it's a banana. That's probably what
Oh, you see how they're walking?
Watch the little buttocks. Hey, look at that.
Oh, let's see how they're walking to it. Yeah, you fall down here.
Like cookies. And what I'm chasing out. Let's sticky bottom. Hey, look one in the pond.
And we just got back from getting our nice bottle of honey. I wonder how it tastes. All right, let's taste this honey. It's thick, it's thick. Very nice, thick. Nice and thick it is. It's real good. Wow. It has a very unique, almost like a wild flavor. That's a good honey.